If you're trying and you're talking bad, it's good. You want to improve your English and sound like a native speaker? So this video is for you. Hi, I'm Majid, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to improve your fluency and how to sound like a native American speaker. So without further ado, let's go. So today's topic, work and profession.
Work and profession.
Yeah, jobs. To keep my eye on the ball for this project.
I have to keep my eye on the ball
For this project.
for this project.
Yeah, it means I have to stay focused.
Stay focused.
Yeah, stay focused. Keep your eye on the ball. It means there's a ball. You were kicking stuff. I have to keep my eye on it. So where's the ball? Where's the ball? So it's a, tough project. I have to keep my eye on it. So, I have to stay focused.
Stay focused.
Steady, not shaking. Look at my hand. It is shaking.
No,
It is like,
your eyes are shaking.
look at the pinky. Like this one is shaking.
No. It's because she wants to come up.
Steady,
Steady.
firm and steady.
Firm and steady.
It's crunch time for this deadline, so I cannot relax.
It's crunch
time for this deadline. Yeah, it's crunch time means it's a very serious deadline. It's a very important time for this project.
It's
Crunch time. So when you want to say it's very important period of time for your, work, you can say it's crunch time for the deadline. Crunch time.
It's crunch time for deadline.
For the deadline.
For the deadline.
Not the deadline, no. For the deadline, so.
I said that, I think.
What?
It's crunch time for the deadline.
Yeah, okay. Crunch time.
Crunch time.
I love this word, crunch time.
Me too.
Like you can crunch it down. Sarah, she gave an off-the-cuff speech. It went well, actually.
What?
Off-the-cuff speech. Without preparation.
Oh,
Off-the-cuff.
off the cuff speech.
Yeah. She gave an off-the-cuff speech and it went well.
Off the cuff speech. And it will.
It went well.
It went well.
Off the cuff, it means without preparation or without any plan.
Oh.
So, off the cuff.
Off the cuff.
Yeah. So the bottom line is we need more money for this plan. The bottom line,
Bottom line.
it means the main point.
Main point.
Yeah. The
Bottom line. We need more money.
We need more money for this plan.
Bottom line.
Bottom line.
Bottom line.
These expressions and phrases you may heard at work, at the office, but I hope not because I hate the office. But you don't, and you will learn it and you will use it perfectly. So the bottom line is you're going to learn English.
The bottom line.
The bottom line, yeah. We should put it on the back burner until next month. Should put it on the back burner until next month.
Back burner?
Yeah, put it on the back burner, it means we should delay it.
Oh,
Yeah.
put it on the back burner.
Yeah, come on, we should put it on the back burner. This project until next month. We should delay this.
We should delay this.
Delay.
We should put it on the back burner.
Yeah, we
till
should put it on the
next
back
month.
burner. We should delay it.
We should delay it.
Yes.
Delay
It.
it.
You had to pull some strings to get that promotion, if you know what I mean.
No, I don't know what you mean.
No. You don't know?
What does it mean?
Pull the strings. It means he had to use his connections.
Oh,
Yeah.
he had to pull
Some strings.
some strings to
Yeah. Get that promotion.
get that promotion.
Yeah. So it means to use your connections.
User connections.
Yeah. Connections.
Connections.
Yeah.
Call.
If you know what I mean.
Yeah, I know. I know now.
So it's a bad thing. Is it?
No.
No?
No.
Because a bunch of people say it's bad, but I think it's a talent. The fact that you can make connections everywhere is priceless, I think. And if you want to be successful enough, you have to make tons of connections, like in You're yawning at my class. Come on.
No.
Don't.
No, I didn't yawn. I didn't yawn.
I didn't yawn, but you did.
Oh.
And you're still doing it. Oh my God, come on. You know,
No.
I was reading an article who said it's contagious. I mean, yawning. Yeah, so.
You said the yawn word and I just wanted to.
No, I mean, the yawning is contagious.
Yeah.
And I mean, laughing also contagious. And you are going to yawn again, but you didn't. I'm just reading your face. But yeah, don't yawn, yo.
I didn't yawn.
Don't yawn, yo.
Yanny.
Okay, so what was I saying?
It was about connections.
Pull some strings.
Pull some strings.
Not strings. Strings.
Strings.
Strings.
I
Yeah.
said that.
Yeah.
Strings.
Okay. So
Okay.
don't make me to pull some strings. You know, she really brought a lot to the table during this meeting.
Oh,
Yeah.
brought a lot to the table.
Brought a lot to the table. It means she contribute valuable stuff to the meeting. Yeah.
Valuable stuff.
She's very valuable for the company. And so
She brought
a lot.
a lot to the table. She brought a lot to the table.
Say it like
She brought
3 times in a row.
She brought a lot to the table. She brought a lot to the table. She brought a lot to the table.
Yeah, good. You passed. I'll put my foot down if they try to delay the meeting. I mean, the project thingy. I'll put my foot down. It means I make a very firm decision.
Very firm decision.
Yes, and no one can veto.
Very firm decision.
Yeah, no one can veto it, and it's just gonna be very
I'm going
steady.
to put my foot down.
Put my foot down.
Put my foot down.
Yeah. He always goes extra mile to help his team.
He always goes extra mile to help his team.
Yes, it means he always do extra stuff for the team.
Oh,
Yeah, he always goes extra mile.
extra mile.
Yeah, but I always do that. I mean, wherever I am and I'm working, I'm contributing to the team, any team, I try to, go extra mile because I think any team should have someone like this inside it. And you have, some priorities, of course, in your job, but if you be creative enough, you can create love like magic. And the team, one person like this is like 5 people, I think. And so, yeah, I always do that.
You always do extra mile. You
Always
always
Go extra
extra
mile.
miles to help your team.
I always do that. I should be appreciated.
Appreciate.
Yeah, they should appreciate me. Who's they? Who are they?
I don't know.
No.
Your team.
Yeah, I don't have a team. So what's the game plan for the presentation?
What's the game plan?
Yeah,
for
what's the game plan? What's the
presentation?
strategy? Game plan means a strategy.
What's the strategy?
No, say what's the game plan for the
What's
presentation?
the game plan for the presentation?
For the presentation.
Presentation.
For the presentation.
For the presentation.
Yeah.
What's the game
What's the game plan for the
pre-
presentation?
What's the game plan for the presentation?
Yes, great.
You're so fast.
Yeah. I'm helping you and you guys to speak fast. No, don't speak fast. Come on, it's just like very. I don't actually like this kind of advertisement. Like speak fast. Like, it's all not real. I try to help you to speak like real English. Yeah, like you should talk real, not fast. Sometimes you have to just talk like this. Talking fast, sometimes not good. So, yeah, I'm against yellow advertisement. Say no to yellow advertisement.
No.
To yellow advertisement.
Too yellow advertisement. What does it mean?
It means bad advertisement.
Bad advertisement.
Yeah, you have sometimes some people, they like say some things that may not be true to attract the audiences, and the audiences come and see, hey, this is not true. This is not what I wanted. So they're gonna get sad and mad.
Oh,
But I'm not gonna do that
okay.
because I'm honest.
What's the game plan for?
So yeah.
What's the claim? Blah blah blah.
What's the game plan for the presentation?
What's the game plan for the presentation?
The game plan is, actually, tonight, Liverpool, there is a match, football. I mean, I love football, okay? Liverpool versus Manchester United. And I think Liverpool, my favorite team, go Liverpool, you'll never walk alone. Gonna smash Manchester United. And if you think Manchester United will survive, in your dreams. So why am I saying these kind of things? I don't know. Because I love Liverpool. I adore Liverpool. I dream about Liverpool.
It's good.
Yeah.
Good luck for them. Let's continue the class.
Yes. So Tara, we have to play hardball to get that deal.
What?
We have to play hardball. It means we have to negotiate very hard.
We have to
that.
play hardball.
Yeah, we have to play hardball
To
get that deal.
get that deal.
Yeah,
We have
we're
to
gonna
play
get that
hard.
deal.
Yeah.
We are successful businessmen.
Woman.
Businessman.
Woman.
No, the word is businessman.
Businessman. Ex-woman.
Okay, don't be sexist. So yeah, we are. It's like Barney Stinson's dialogue. We are international businessmen. Oh my God, you don't know what am I saying, do you?
I don't remember.
Yeah, you don't, but I just memorized it all. And I memorized every dialogue of Friends, How I Met Your Mother, The Office, and yeah, just these three. And Modern Family. I love Modern Family. Actually, I don't like Gloria's voice,
I love her.
but her character is good. I don't even like her. I mean, like, you know.
No, I don't know.
I mean, I don't like her outside. I mean, her body is not my type,
Oh,
but her character is. I mean, she is so funny.
she's so good.
Yeah, she's.
I love
And
her.
Phil,
Very
if
beautiful.
I'm gonna be a dad like Phil Dunphy. Oh my
Phil.
God, I'm gonna be a Phil Dunphy as a dad.
I'm going to be Cam.
Oh, really? I love
so
Cam.
good.
Yeah, I love Cam. So you're a Cam?
No, I wish I would.
No, I mean character-wise.
No.
So in that case, you need a Mitchell.
Yeah.
And Mitchell is grumpy, and he cannot stand grumpy.
Yeah.
So
I'm not Cam. I love
you're
Cam.
not Cam. I think you're Mitchell.
Yeah.
You're
I can be
Mitchell,
Mitchell.
and you're gonna like find your Cam,
I hope.
a girl Cam. No, I mean a boy Cam. Yeah.
No, I have baby, so it's good.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So can you give me a ballpark figure for the budget? Ballpark figure for the budget. Ballpark figure for the budget. Yeah, it means, can you tell me, like, what is the budget approximately? Like, can you estimate?
Can you give me a ballpark figure for the budget?
Ballpark figure.
For the budget.
Yes, it means can you
Ballpark figure.
estimate approximately?
Estimate.
If you don't
Estimate.
know this with your feet,
I'm trying to.
reach the moon. So repeat after me. Estimate approximately.
Approximately. What's that word mean?
This is the definition.
It's so
It
hard.
means like approximately, like not exactly, approximately,
Oh,
like
okay.
yeah.
Estimate.
Estimate.
Oh, it's so hard.
Estimate approximately.
Estimate approximately.
Yeah, it is the definition.
I don't like the definition.
So yeah.
Estimate.
Estimate. Approximately.
Approximately. Estimate approximately.
Yes.
Estimate approximately.
Approximately.
Estimate approximately.
Yes.
Okay.
Good. If you want to say these kind of hard words properly, you can do the mirror exercise. You can
Mirror
go in
exercise.
front of the mirror and try to repeat a song, try to repeat podcasts, try to repeat some YouTube channels like this that the teacher, the handsome teacher,
Oh.
that is, yeah,
Okay.
that is like saying these expressions so you can repeat it in front of the mirror and your pronunciation.
Okay.
It's all about jaws. It's all about your jaw, your jaw and your bone structure. It's shaped, it had shaped from your childhood because you were talking, you were speaking your mother tongue, right? So it has formed in your mother tongue structure. So you have to reform it. You have to reform your bones and your jaw and your tongue and your tooth and your everything so you can talk proper English.
You're supposed to die and reborn.
No, you don't have to die, my study student. You just have to reform your sayings. And it has some great practices. And you can do it. And you can talk proper English. And you can talk like native American speaker. It is so easy. You just have to do it every day, like 5 or 10 minutes every day in front of the mirror and repeat and try to talk, try to speak with your best accent. An accent may be wrong, may not be good, but you are trying. The fact that you're trying, it's working. If you're trying and you're talking bad, it's good. If you're not trying and inside your mind you're talking good, it's bad.
If you're not trying and you're talking good, it's great.
No, if you don't try, you can't talk good. So it's just simple as that. So you have to talk bad to reach greatness. You have to exercise, you have to endure hardships to talk like native. So do that, please.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'm good with that and try.
Say you will. Say you will.
Okay. I will.
Thank you. Okay, that was all about today. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. You know what to do, right? You don't know? You should subscribe me. Yeah. It's a great channel. It will teach you English and stuff. Yeah, let's not talk too much. Subscribe, comment. Oh, I love comments. I love your comments. And it gives me energy. So, like, and also subscribe. and I wanted to say this one. Please watch other videos as well. It's for English class. Yeah. So, and subscribe again. Have a great day or night. Subscribe. Bye.
Bye.